Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A53s. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning let's enter Play Store and search for battery sound notification app. Download this app and open it. Now tap plus in the right corner and select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text-to-speech.
Disconnected.
And then name your function, give it description and press this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.